In this video guide, we'll provide you with recommendations on how to remove scary alerts that are associated with the website TotalDataSecurityCenter.com. TotalDataSecurityCenter.com is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. The website displays pretty frustrating messages that try to mislead people with these faulty statements. For instance, the website indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. The purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you, but rather to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications into your computer. Remember that interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous because this is the typical online scam. People who stand behind these pop-ups would try to make you download some potentially unwanted software. They may also force you to waste your money for nothing. Speaking about this website, TotalDataSecurityCenter.com, this website also tries to trick you into subscribing to its scary ads in the form of push notifications. You should not click on the Allow button if you see these pop-ups on your screen. If the Allow button was clicked by mistake, you need to implement some urgent browser fixes by accessing the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and select Notifications. At this point, research the sites allowed to send notifications, and if you find this malicious site on the list, make sure to get rid of it from the list. I also recommend you to examine your device additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is crucial because your computer could be additionally burdened by some hidden malware or adware. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect such hidden threats and to remove them effectively from your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green button to download the software. Install the application and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.